a question I get a lot is there a place I can go to see all the programs that are available for an elderly individual who needs financial help? Luckily, yes, there is a place you can go. I'll walk you through it right now. It is referred to as benefitscheckup.org. Today, when you go through this, I'm not assuming you're going to do it today, but when you go through this, you're going to enter your zip code. From there, you're going to be taken to this list, and it's going to list off all the different programs and things that are available to elderly individuals to help them. We're just going to do food and nutrition. The first thing we need to do is go through here. You can click down here to see more information about how to apply for your state-specific programs. That's why it asks for your zip code, is because everything is state-specific because the states run them, even though a lot of them are federal programs. Okay, so first off, we're going to run our report. You can download your report here. You can go in here and since I already put in some answers, they already saved the answers. But you can go in here and edit them, put in and answer all the questions. And after you hit submit, it's going to go back and it's going to then generate a report for you after you do that. It's important to understand that some of these questions become difficult to answer because technical questions, and sometimes you need an elder law attorney to help you through and determine this. But one of the good things here is to show you that there is a place that you can go where you can kind of lay out and see for yourself everything the individual that you're trying to help can be eligible for.